Good afternoon, student. My name is Noor Ahmad. You are a physics lecturer. Today I am going to discuss about a topic is electric charges and field. Electric charges and field for IP purpose 4 marks question 1 definitely it will come. And NEET and JEE also a 2 marks it will come. In this one, this is one of the branches of a physics. In this one, what is the electricity? Electricity is one of the branches of a physics. Electricity we can classify into two types. One is a static electricity, another one is current electricity. What is a static electricity means? The study of a charges at rest is called static electricity or electrostatic. Another one is current electricity. Current electricity means the study of a charges in motion is called current electricity. Again, what is the electric charge? Electric charge means this is electric charge is a property of a matter produces electric and magnetic field. This is a property of a matter produces electric and magnetic field. What is the unit of a charges? Unit. SI unit of a charge is coulombs. Coulombs. CGS units of a charge. ESU. ESU means electrostatic unit. Electrostatic unit. One ESU equal to 1 upon 3 into 10 to the power of 9 coulombs. Another unit is EMU. Electromagnetic unit. One EMU equal to 10 coulombs. One EMU equal to 10 coulombs. This is the electric charges. Again, the property of a charges. What are the properties of a charges? When the charge is stationary, only electric field is produced. When charge is moving, electric and magnetic field is produced. Generally, charges are two types. One is a positive charge, another one is negative charge. One is a positive charge, another one is negative charge. Suppose you take any substance, that substance consists of a molecule. In this molecule, atoms are there. Inside an atom, suppose you take one atom means, this one is called nucleus. In a nucleus, protons and neutrons. In this one, protons are a positive charge and neutrons are a neutral charge. But electrons are outside the nucleus. So means here charges are two types. One is a positive charge, another one is negative charge. Both here neutral charge means positive and negative. Both equal amount means that is a neutral charge. How from positive charge means? Suppose you take two bodies and rubbed each other. When they rubbed each other, the transfer of electrons takes place from one body to another body. Which body loses an electron, that body became a positive. Which body gain an electron, that body became a negative. When body became a negative, means the mass of the body increases. Why increases? When your two bodies are rubbed each other, electrons are transferred from one body to another body. Which body gain electrons means Here electrons are transferred from one body to another body. Which body gain electron mass increases, which body loses electron mass decreases. Generally, these are two types of charges. One is a positive charge, another one is negative charge. Properties of a charges. Generally, charges are two types. One is a positive charge, another one is negative charge. Here, two like charges. In two like charges repel each other. Unlike charges attract each other. Attract each other. Next property, additive property of a charges. Additive property of a charges means, suppose you take a one isolated body. Total charge on a body is equal to, suppose, plus 1 coulomb, minus 5 coulomb, plus 3 coulombs, plus 8 coulombs, minus 2 coulombs. Total charge on a body is equal to total charge on a body is equal to sum of individual charges. Means here total charge on a body equal to so here plus 1 coulomb, minus 5 coulombs, plus 3 coulombs, plus 8 coulombs, minus 2 coulombs. Means here plus means you should add 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 12. Plus 12 coulombs, here 5 minus 2 minus 7 coulombs. So here how much? 12 minus 7, 5 coulombs plus 5 coulombs. This property is called additive property of a charges. Next property is quantization of the charges. In a quantization of a charges means the total charge on a isolated system is equal to integral multiple of individual charges or minimum charges. What is the quantization of a charge means? The total charge in an isolated system is equal to sum of total charge in isolated system is equal to integral multiple of individual charges or minimum charges also or individual. Means Q equal to integral multiple of E. We can write Q equal to plus or minus Ne. Q means total charge in an isolated system or on a body is equal to plus or minus Ne. N is the integers. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. E is a charge of a body. Charge of the electron how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs is a charge of electrons. Again, charge of the proton also same. Charge of a electron is equal to charge of a proton. Charge of a proton how much? Also a 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. This is a quantization of a charges. There are a two properties. Additive property of a charges means the total charge on a body is equal to sum of individual charges is called additive property of a charges. Again, quantization of a charge means the total charge in isolated system is equal to integral multiple of individual charges q equal to plus or minus ne. Integral multiple of E, q equal to plus or minus ne. N is the integer 1, 2, 3, 4. N equal to 1 substitute means only 1 electron. 2 means 2 electrons. 3, 4 like that. We can write. Example, you take a problem. How many electrons in 1 coulomb of a charge? How many electrons in 1 coulomb of a charge? How we can calculate? We know the formula quantization of a charges. What is the quantization of a charges? Q equal to plus or minus Ne. Q equal to plus or minus Ne. Q means charge. How much? 1 coulomb of a charge. 1 C means unit of coulombs. 1 coulomb of a charge. E means charge of an electron. How much charge of the electron? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. You substitute there means, so here Q means 1 is equal to N. E means 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So you substitute N is equal to 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. This value you calculate means approximately 6.2 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. How many electrons in 1 coulomb of a charges means 6.2 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Next one is electrification. What is electrification means? The charging of a body is called electrification. Electrification means the charging, the process of charging of a body is called electrification. By the using of gold leaf electroscope, we can get a charged body. This process in electrification, 3 types. Electrification, first one is by friction. By friction. Electrification by friction. By friction means when your two bodies are rubbed each other. When your two bodies are rubbed each other, one body loses an electron, another body gains an electron. Which body loses an electron, that body became a positive. Another body gains an electron, that body became a negative. Example, you take a glass rod and rubbed with silk cloth. Rubbed with silk cloth. When you rubbed with silk cloth, glass rod became a positive. Glass rod became a positive. Silk cloth became a negative. Glass rod became a positive. Silk cloth became a negative. In this one, glass rod loses an electron. Means when you take a glass rod and silk cloth, you rubbed each other. When you rubbed like that each other, the transfer of electron from glass rod to a silk cloth. So here glass rod became a positive and silk cloth became a negative. This process is by friction. Next one is by conduction. Second one is by conduction. Electrification by conduction. Suppose you take a one charged body, positive or negative charged body. Take another uncharged body or neutral body. You connected by a conductor. When you connected by a conductor, the charges are transferred from one body to another body. The charges are transferred from one body to another body. One body became a By conduction means you take a one charge body. Here you take negative charge body. You take a negative charge body. Contact with another neutral body. Now electrons are traveled from charged body to a uncharged or neutral body. That neutral body became a charge. This process is called by conduction. What is a conduction means? When a charged body is contact with the neutral body, that neutral body also a charge. This process is called by conduction. Electrification by conduction. Another one is by induction. What is the induction? Induction is what? Take a one charge body. Take a one positive charge body nearer to a uncharged body. Take nearer to a uncharged body. So here this one is positive charge, negative charge is induced nearer end and positive charge is formed at farther end. When you farther end is connected to a, this farther end is connected to a earth. This body here electrons are transferred from earth to a body. So after some time this total negative charge is spread on a surface of the body. This is one of the method by electrification by induction. What is electrification by induction means? You take a one charge body, place nearer to a neutral body. Opposite charges are induced nearer end, like same charges are formed at farther end. Farther end is connected to the earth. When you connected to the earth, electrons are moved from earth to a body. So after here, total electrons are spread on the surface of the body. This process is called electrification by induction. These are three methods electrification. Okay.